Okay, so let's get right into this video. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my cuticle pusher and I am going to push back my cuticles. Now this is really important because this helps prevent lifting of your nails and everything. I am not a nail tech, but I know this much. Remove your cuticles. So I'm just pushing them back with this cuticle pusher. Next, I am going in with my drill and my drill bit, and I am just buffing the surface of my nail just to give it, to give the acrylic something to adhere to. And then I'm going with my drill bit again, but this time with a different head, and I am just going by my cuticle and I'm removing the cuticle that you can see here. You can see those little white bits coming up. All that is cuticle that needs to go. And I'm taking a cotton pad, lint-free pad, and some alcohol and removing all that dust. These here are some dual forms that I have for polygel, but I saw some tutorials using acrylic and people were like it's a little easier for them, so I figured why not try it with acrylic. So this is my dehydrator and my primer, and I'm just going in. I'm going to apply the dehydrator onto my nails and then I'm going to go in with the primer. And here I have some monomer in my little Lion King shot glass, and I'm taking my acrylic and I'm gonna place a really large bead onto the dual form. Now I tried to make the middle, which is where I guess the apex of your nail, a little thicker, and then I tried to make by what do you call it, by your cuticle not so thick, because I found when some of the times I had some instances where I applied the acrylic too thick to the cuticle and the nail did not fit. Another thing, when you use the dual form, make sure you go up maybe a size up. This will help to make sure that your side walls and everything like that fit. So I'm gonna press down the nail. I'm pressing down the nail here, and as you can see there's some acrylic that is spilling out from the sides. I'm just gonna take my brush and I dipped it in, well, you can either dip it in the monomer, but I found that dipping it in acetone was much better. So I just dipped it in the acetone and I removed the excess from the sides and from the bottom, and then I just went in with a smaller, more defined, detailed brush and swept away all that excess acrylic. And really important, I did not unfortunately do this for all of my nails, but go underneath and make sure that you smooth out that acrylic so that it's not lumpy and bumpy. And I did different designs on almost every finger, so I am just going to show you the process for each one. This, which is my index finger, I did basically half of my nail in one color, which is the neutral color, and then the other half glitter, confetti glitter. And I forgot to mention, how could I forget to mention, today when you're watching this video, October the 7th, is my birthday. Yay! So please do me a favor, give this video a massive thumbs up. That's all I ask for you for my birthday. Give this video a massive thumbs up, and if you have not already, subscribe to the channel. So I figured, what better way than to have pretty nails than to have glitter and confetti. So yeah, so as you can see, half was the natural looking color, and then I went in with a small bead of the clear acrylic. I dip my brush into the glitter, and I'm gonna press it into the clear portion of the acrylic only. And then I'm gonna take a small bead of the clear acrylic and smooth that over the entire nail. Now it's really important, remember, you wanna do shallow, small, and then build up. As you can see, the nail slipping and sliding. So then I apply the nail, press down for maybe 30 seconds or so to make sure that the acrylic nail adheres to your actual nail. So this is I missed the third finger, which is the middle finger, because that's just a plain nail, which I did in the beginning. This one is gonna be full glitter / confetti. So I've taken a very small bead of the clear acrylic, dipping my brush into the glitter, applying that all throughout the nail. And sorry, I thought I got the clip where I played it, but it's the same process. Stick it onto your finger, press it on for 30 seconds or so, and then release. So this is the third and final nail. Now this one is kind of like a triangle, and at the base, and then glitter at the top. So you're gonna see here that I am just smoothing out the sides to make sure that I have a point in the middle. And then I'm gonna do the same process where I apply a small clear bead of acrylic, dip the brush into the glitter, and then apply a final layer of clear acrylic to the entire nail, and I stick it onto my finger. So this right here is just how easy it is to remove the dual form from your nail. So because I did not unfortunately clean up, well, apply the underneath side, I had to go in with my drill to try to clean up underneath. And I was going for the coffin shape, so of course I had to take my nail file and file my nails accordingly. And I'm going in with my buffer and I'm just gently buffing the surface of the nail. And here's my top coat, which is gonna give this a shine and make these nails bling. And I forgot to mention, before I went in with this top coat, I did of course go with some alcohol and a wipe and remove the excess, all of the dust from my nail. Okay, and I stuck my fingers into my UV lamp for about 2 minutes, and these are the end results. Of course, the top layer I went in with the alcohol and the free wipe and removed that. So yeah, this is the end result. I am in love. I hope that you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you have, please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, and if you have not already, go ahead and click that red subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. So until next time, bye bye.